welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to be trying out some surprisingly practical Microsoft Outlook hacks. Specifically, we're going to use Outlook to create a meeting invitation and use the scheduling assistant to find a good time for the meeting. Outlook is not only our OIT email provider, it also provides a digital calendar tool. Once you become a certain level of busy, like professor busy, it is important to have such a tool to keep track of your meetings and your availability. Alright, so we are going to dive right in. For this tutorial, I want to schedule a meeting with Dr. Kari Lundgren, who has given me permission for her to appear in this video. From TechWeb, navigate to your email. And from your email, choose the second icon on the left to get to your calendar. Here we are. All right. From here, when we want to create a meeting, we can click New Event. And you get to see this screen that I see all the time. We'll add a title. What kind of meeting am I having with Dr. K? Writing problems. All we ever talk about. And under invite attendees, I will type her. And she'll auto-populate. And by default, Outlook will suggest several times where we're both free. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's look at all of our times where we can meet. So this is the scheduling assistant. You can put as many people as you want and it'll show all of their calendar availability horizontally on this screen. And you can scroll through it. I can see that Wednesday, March 6th at 9, we are both free. I can draw a bar here to create a meeting there. Go back to the event and it has picked that time. I can tell Outlook I want it to be a Teams meeting. Meet on Teams to discuss our problems with writing. I have many, as you can see. If I hit send, this will go to her and she can accept the meeting and it'll show up on our digital calendars. Send. Done. So in conclusion, this Outlook hack is really useful if you have to schedule a lot of meetings and you don't want to fill out a lot of doodle polls. And if you don't know what a doodle poll is, just consider yourself lucky. If you liked that video, don't forget to shamash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, shamash that subscribe button. And with that, I will see you guys next time.